Group Armour always strives to accompany its members in the event of a disaster, because protecting the plans in which we believe in is essential. Alone against the elements and losses incurred invariably gives rise to the question of fair valuation and compensation. Imagine a simple, fast and reliable technological solution. Innovation provides the answer. Group Armour has developed the exo.expert system to give a reliable assessment of natural disasters. A drone offers high-definition aerial shots that leave no doubt over damage caused by making inaccessible areas visible. A simple automatic flight instantly reveals the map of the terrain and the magnitude of the disaster. A map and precise measurements calculated in real time without internet connection to accurately evaluate a situation. Our solution evolves every day and continues to offer new benefits for agriculture. Find out instantly the plant and fruit count to assess the number of units per hectare. A simple and accurate tool which offers the possibility of calculating the future yield, which in turn improves reliability and provides a more adequate compensation. The Plant Health Index allows to characterize almost instantly foliar resistance of crops to better identify diseases or irrigation problems. We foresee potential deficiencies to improve and control inputs of fertilizers or the application of phytosanitary products while enhancing the technical skills of the farmer. Backed by tailor-made training and a piloting license, the exo.expert solution is managed by professionals grounded in the idea that innovation is the engine of progress for us all. A mission based on a complete package that's ready to fly to fight the effects of time and save a little of yours. Nature often works wonders, and if the saying isn't so, Group Armour and its partners continue their efforts through innovation to offer their insured the best possible estimation. A revolutionary all-in-one package that's part of a constantly changing world. A technology to help those who strive every day to use their knowledge to add value to the world of tomorrow.